This Christmas, an epic journey will begin.
Which has nothing to do with that stuff right there.
Let me at it. Hey, ow! Wait a minute. Are you really gonna eat that?
You know it.
The film's about survival, and we're following dinosaurs through different challenges through their lives.
It's just a wonderful coming-of-age story.
The drive-through window is open. Gotcha! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I play Alex.
It means ridiculously handsome bird.
He hangs around this herd because it's his food source.
Oh, the enticing smell of decay. Look at this tartar builder.
I'm a wise bird. I've been around, you know. I got a bird's eye view.
Look at them wiggle. Wiggly, 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 woo. That's right. Run away.
I roam around and I help out. I give my advice.
Cheer up, Pachi. It's not the end of the world. That won't come for another couple years.
They form a real bond and go through lots of adventures together.
That's right, tiny arms.
Seriously, what's up with those baby hands? I mean, look at him. He's so cute. I'm sorry, seriously. I mean, what's up with that?